Hello, and thank you for joining me for this introductory discussion of Clarinox's Koala EVM. The Koala EVM is a fast, cost-effective solution for developers of embedded Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology. Okay, so this is the Koala EVM board. I'll give you a quick rundown of its features. First of all, here you can see the Ethernet port. Next to that is a USB 2 port, which is used to connect to Clarinox Debugger software for debugging via the USB to UART bridge. Along the bottom here, there's also a CAN bus port and a USB OTG port for host or device connection. Next, you can see the camera on the side and the 320 by 240 colour LCD screen. Along the top, we have a COM8 port, which we currently have connected to a Texas Instruments Y-Link 8 board, which has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Bluetooth low energy capability. Next, we have one antenna plugged into the antenna port here and another antenna port over here. Along the left-hand side, we have a few different options for the power supply. You can use the screw terminal, barrel adapter, or as we're using today, the USB port. This USB port is also used to connect to Clarinox Debugger to debug using JTAG. And if you have an external JTAG debugger, you can connect that to this port here. This last port on the left we use during manufacturing to program the ST-Link firmware. Now I'd like to briefly discuss the use of these two jumper blocks in the centre. These are used to select which microcontroller to program and debug. The jumper block we are currently using uses JTAG via the USB on the left to program the CPU over here. The other jumper block on this side allows us to program Clarinox WMI modules. Again, we can use JTAG with the USB on the left. This is a Clarinox WMI module which we can program to use in prototypes. And as you can see, it's quite small. I'll just show you the back here. This is how you connect it in. As I said before, this can be programmed using JTAG via the USB on the left, but we can also get debug information via the UART or Ethernet connections down the bottom here. And last but not least, I'll demonstrate the camera function. So I'll just set that up so it'll have a live feed. Great. So that's a basic introduction to the Koala EVM. Thanks for listening, and you can find more information on our website.